Today then introducing the KFRC F35 looky likey. Never heard of this company before, but we'll see how we get on. Everything you need comes in the box, the little model itself, the controller. You need to add batteries for that. This particular one comes with 2 batteries, a little charger, tail fins there and some undercarriage. So we'll get the thing put together, and it's rather breezy today, but we'll see how we get on. Well, it's pretty windy, but we'll see how we get on. Transmitter on, plane on and down on the ground. And now it's armed. Let's see how we go. She's away. Don't seem to have very much in the way of steering here. Let's try the higher rates allegedly. And she disappears into the distance. Get a little bit of forward momentum going. Yeah, to penetrate the wind, you need to put in some down elevator there. Yeah, to get any control in this wind, it needs some down to get some forward momentum. It's maybe a little bit too breezy. I mean, the gyros are handling it exceptionally well. It's incredible. And again, for only a single cell 300 milliampere battery, it's doing really well. Well, it's an awful lot of fun, and it's probably crash proof, and I think we'll probably find out. We'll press the stunt button. And it's done some very impressive V35 type maneuvers there. So that was attempting to do a loop. What happens if we attempt to do a roll? Well, yes, see if we can get in closer. That is incredible. Let's try another roll into the wind. Nope. Seems to prefer doing loops than rolls. Highly entertaining. And I'm staggered by the battery life, especially in this breeze. Let's have another attempt at doing a roll. No, it prefers to do outside loops for some reason. Right, as this gentleman's going to be taking off, we'll land, kind of. It's still very windy, but we do have a second battery, so what the heck. Armed, full down elevator. Let's go into high rates. Wind blowing it around like crazy once again. Wind blowing it around like crazy. It's harrowing. We'll find find out about its crash resistance now. At least we didn't end up in the dog compound, or in the doghouse, literally. Well, look at that, perfect landing. I guess that's more down to the gyros than me. No apparent damage. Servos and things still working. Look at that windsock. I guess if it can fly in this wind, it can fly in anything. Yeah, it's definitely too much wind for this little guy, but we're having a lot of fun. Well, I think discretion is a better part of valor right now. Let's try and see if we can land it. Oh, crazy stuff. Well, whatever else you say about this little toy, it's a hell of a lot of fun. As you can hear, then the big boys are coming out to play now, so it's time to put this little guy back into the car. Hell of a lot of fun, as you can see, and crash resistant. What more could you want? Thanks for watching.